This is my beautiful model Sophia. Now she has naturally coarse, curly hair and sometimes tends to be a little bit frizzy. Now she finds using conventional stylers can leave her hair lacking in shine and a little bit static. I'm going to show you the benefits of the JOICO Styler as it nourishes, repairs and smooths all in one. Here's a quick demo. So before we get started on Sophia's hair, which is naturally coarse and curly, we have the JOICO Styler turned up to maximum temperature and maximum vapor. This will give us the greatest results. So let's get started. First of all, I find it easier to work in sections. We're going to divide Sophia's hair off into 4. Separate the front and the back into 2 sections, as so. And use clips to secure your section safely away. With moderate pressure, run the styler consistently and smoothly through the hair shaft, down towards the length, paying particular attention towards the ends to make sure you smooth them under. So as you can see, the hair is nice and smooth and silky. At the root area, sometimes you get a few flyaways that you didn't quite get the first time round. So just using the back of the iron, simply tap down and that will smooth the remainder of the flyaway hairs. So we've just come to the last section of Sophia's hair. Now remember the top tip, using the styler just at the root area, tapping away gently, ensuring that we don't burn the scalp. Now we're going to run the styler consistently and smoothly through the hair shaft. Remember to pay attention towards the ends. Styler in with a slight bend, smoothly and slowly gliding all the way down. And there you can see, nourished, repaired and smooth. Now to finish off, another top tip is we see these flyaways that everybody gets, and people ask me all the time, how do I calm those down? Well, simply take your styler, the temperature at the back is enough not to burn the scalp, but just move these little flyaway pieces away, ensuring they stay down in the directed position. Now for my next tip, I'm going to use a product called Humidity Blocker. Now Humidity Blocker has a hold factor of 2. It's a hairspray which doesn't weigh down the hair, and it does exactly what it says. It blocks the humidity. So for a sleek, straight style, this is perfect. Let me show you how I use it. What we want to do is just spray a light mist onto a soft brush. And then just brush gently all the way through the hair, giving it consistency. You can spray on the hair and brush through as well. This will remove any flyaways and hold the style, give a shine. Just around the hairline, spray directly onto the hairline. Just use the side of the can just to push down any of those stubborn areas. And there we have nourished, smooth, repaired, gorgeous hair. I hope you like it.